Hello everyone, Dr. Anjali this side. So this is the second video of anemia in COVID-19. So let's see what happens to hemoglobin in COVID-19. These are the four structures of porphyrin which combine together and form protoporphyrin, which is the structure of globin. So here the structure gray in color is heme, and the bond formation between four porphyrin is globin. So virus, that is SARS-CoV virus or COVID-19 virus, attack directly on the bond formed between heme and globin, or it attack directly on the bonds formed between the porphyrin of the structure globin. So after attack, ferrous is released from this hemoglobin. So virus loves porphyrin. After attacking, चारों porphyrin अलग हो गए. So each porphyrin helped the virus to enter in our body through ACE2 receptors, and it also decreases hemoglobin. Now ferrous, which is separated from this structure, it increases in our blood. It causes inflammation and it causes neutrophilia. मतलब न्यूट्रोफिल का जो वैल्यू है ये बढ़ा देगा. Then there is raised CRP and causes increase in many inflammatory proteins. Now here is the structure of intestine, large and small. So iron or vitamin B12 both absorb in small intestine. So in COVID-19 or after COVID-19, there is a inflammation in bowel, that is small intestine, that causes diarrhea in COVID. So if there is decreased absorption of iron, there is microcytic anemia, and if there is decreased vitamin B12, then there is macrocytic anemia after COVID or post-COVID syndrome or long COVID after 3 months. So here you can see this is normal RBC, in between microcytic smaller than normal RBCs, and macrocytic larger than normal RBCs. So it can also seen in mild to moderate COVID-19. Majority received hospital treatment, and this is the data from some article. So I'm just want to tell you that anemic patient had increased level of inflammation marker, that is IL-6 and CRP. Now coming up to the ferritin, it represents the overall iron storage in our body. Okay, this is the normal value of it. Different labs gives different unit, 550 to 100 nanograms per ml or 500 to 1000 milligrams. They both are similar. So an elevated serum ferritin in absence of infection or inflammation. I just want to tell you that if your ferritin level is decreased, there is iron deficiency anemia, but ferritin level increased in chronic illness anemia. So अगर मेरा ferritin level decreased रहेगा नॉर्मल वैल्यू से, तो मुझे आयरन डेफिशिएंसी अनीमिया है. बट अगर उसका वैल्यू बढ़ा हुआ है, तो या तो वो इन्फ्लेमेशन में है, मेरी बॉडी में काफ़ी लंबे समय से कोई इन्फ्लेमेशन चल रहा है, कोई इन्फेक्शन चल रहा है जैसे कि कोविड-19. लेकिन अगर मुझे कोई इन्फ्लेमेशन नहीं है, कोई इन्फेक्शन नहीं है, तो देयर मस्ट बी द प्रेजेंस ऑफ एन आयरन ओवरलोड. मतलब आयरन की वैल्यू बॉडी में बढ़ गई है, स्टोरेज बढ़ गया है. नाउ डू आरबीसीज हैव ACE2 रिसेप्टर्स. ये वायरस कहाँ से एंटर करते हैं? सो दे डोंट हैव ACE2 रिसेप्टर्स, बट दे हैव डिफरेंट pathway through which this virus enter in RBC. So firstly, COVID-19 virus attack one beta chain of hemoglobin and captures the porphyrin to inhibit human heme metabolism. Now, as I have told, RBC do not have ACE2 receptor on their surface. There are other pathways, and there are these I have written here that where ACE2 receptors normally present in our body: lung, artery, heart, kidney, and intestine. So there is a pathway of RBC invasion by SARS-CoV. So it enters through band 3. So what is band 3? It is a major integral transmembrane protein of erythrocyte plasma membrane, that is RBCs, comprising 25% of total membrane proteins. RBC band 3 dependent pathway is the main route of RBC invasion by malarial parasites also. So मलेरिया के parasites भी इसी band 3 के थ्रू हमारे RBC में जाते हैं, जहाँ से सार्स कोव का वायरस भी band 3 के थ्रू जाता है. Now these are the receptors, CD147 receptor and CD26 receptor, through which virus enter in our bone marrow. Just remember this. Now this is very important. Why I am presenting this? So the मेन थिंग इज़ दैट कि अगर आपको कोरोना हुआ था या कोरोना के बाद भी आपकी बॉडी में 1 to 2 grams ऑफ हीमोग्लोबिन कम हो गया है एंड इट कॉजेज वीकनेस लास्टिंग फॉर अ मंथ. अगर बॉडी में 1 ग्राम भी हीमोग्लोबिन कम होता है तो आपको 1 महीने तक कमज़ोरी रहती है. तो अगर आपको कोरोना के बाद कमज़ोरी है तो आप अपना हीमोग्लोबिन चेक कराएं. काफ़ी ज़्यादा चांसेस हैं कि आपको एनीमिया होगा. So if there is 1 gram hemoglobin down, weakness lasting for a month.